Hello, I'm going to play Minecraft. I know it isn't tomorrow, but I want to play like right now. And this day added something that I do not like. You know the normal Minecraft? You know it, right? It has a what is it called? Here's my username. I don't care. Okay, I don't know why am I a girl. What's that? They added the plus thingy. Sorry. But I just need a little. Okay. Survival. I'm going to make it blah. Blah blah blah. Okay, let's just turn on something cheap. No, I just want to keep inventory when I die. Sorry, I just need to go to creative. I just need keep inventory. That's all I need. Here. Is it on? Oh. Yep. Sorry for that. All yapping and the sounds are of my brother and mom on the phone. Go quickly loading. Loada. Finally, this is the one. The triangle. Wait, did I just say triangle? I mean... Oh! Today I'm going to beat the Ender Dragon. It's going to be my first time. And then I'm also going to make a house. And you guys know I'm on mobile. Hey, how is this already broken on the leaves? Oops. Give me. Please do not. Bruh, I just can't. My crafting table. Oopsie. At least I can still make wood. Done. I'm only going to make 4. Because, I don't know. I'm just dumb, I think. This. Pickaxe. 27. And an axe. I need more sticks. I need a sword. Yeah. Okay, I'm finished. Give me this thing. And guys, remember, I just can't wait. Okay, I need to be killing this cow. Come on. Where's the meat? Here. Here it is. What is this? Spawn. Sheep. I can make a bed. I can also cook with meat. Wait, how did you just sprint? Weird. I never sprinted before. Wait, am I dumb? I don't know, maybe different world can do. Oh yeah, I also need glass for later. So I'm going to do a crafting table. It has no durability. Is that what it's called? for my house. Well, I need to collect more, and of course, you know what? I'll do it later. Well, I'm really bad at things, I guess. I'm really bad at doing this, but it's going to be my first time. Can I get just diamonds or netherite? Because I've only seen YouTubers do that. It's my first timer. Wait a minute. Back, and that's my mom speaking. Oh my god. He's really loud, so I'm just 9 years old. Wait, can I even say my age? Yeah, guys, we're Filipinos. If you want, if you guys don't understand what my mom's saying, just translate it.
Ayun o, tingnan mo. Ayun o, dami po.
Guys, I need to pause.
Teka, pinapatay din na nun. No. Sabi ko patayin. Ano kaya patayin ko, no? Ang pinipili mo eh. Wala akong kakalagyan ko sa sigaw. Para marinig mo. Ha? Ang lapit ko na sa'yo, hindi mo pa rin ako marinig.
Guys, I'm going to die because what was that? Why was there a stick with rocks? Why is that just my mom's wearing?
Ano na, hindi mo pa rin nilalagyan ng gamot yan?
Back, that's just my mom again. Well, I can't do anything. I think how many wood? This will be enough. Is this a stack? Oh, this is a stack. A stack and a two. Well, I knew how many sand do I have? Oh no, I should have saved some wood for the house. Not again. My wooden pickaxe is going to break. No. What was that? There's nothing. No, come on. I don't want to build up. 8 will not be enough. Maybe 16 for 4 each. It's not that much, but I need to build my house. Really? Is that small? 2 more. Oh. I need 2 more. Oh. I was actually wrong. Okay. It's getting nighttime. Bro. I need to find a sheep. Is that coal? Wait, can I even mine coal with a pickaxe? Wooden. I can't use any tricks like this. See this? I can't do that. Oh no. I'm fixing. I'm done. I need to find some sheep. You know what? I'll leave this biome. Is this spruce wood? Spruce. And then I don't know what. Chicken. Hi chicken. Bye chicken.
Anak ng Coco.
Bruh. Ta-ta-da-ta-da. Wait, how can I make a bed? Oh my god. I never thought.
Bantay ni kapatid niyo ka.
Yeah.
Ito ka. Ayayain ko kayo.
I don't want to lose my stuff. You know what?
Ayusin mo yung bibigyan kita 20.
Hmm.
Pesos.
Bro, I'm going to die because of my stuff. Guys. I forgot.
Ganyan, masakit.
I thought I almost lost my stuff. But really, it was really hard.
Puro dyan. Ganap ka.
Bro, can I even make a bed? Oh, let's see. I can't see, really. I need a torch. I forgot how to make a torch. It needs... Oh no. Well, I'm not going to deal with moths. Oh no, I didn't make a shovel. I'm going to use my hand. And, bruh, 3? I thought there were only 2. Oh, 5. Why am I actually singing this? Guys, I will pause the video and I will wait for daytime. I'll just pause it. I'm going to be back. Back. Wait. Oh, it's day. I need to mine more cobblestone so we can go back up. Why am I yawning? I guess I haven't been sleeping much. Na 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 na. Guys, that's Miss Rachel. Well, I can't have peace. Am I? Oh, I'm just wasting, and I can't use my wood.
Kaya.
No, 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 no.
Sa baba.
What? La, 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 la.
Makas na.
Go to the sun. Oh no, he has a helmet. He has a helmet. Yo, yo. Really? Wow, guys. I hate this. Why am I spawning here? Now I just lost. Oh. Not again. Missed. You killed me. Oh. What is this efficient? Unbreaking? What does unbreaking mean? Oh, no, 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 no. Oopsies. Oh, I got it back. Inventory. I need to make a... What is that called again? A furnace later. To cook my food. Well, not later, like right now. How do I make a furnace? Oh, yeah. You know what? I'll just use this. I'm done. This is really hard. Where's my... I mean, I could use this. I'll cook these. Even though I'm not even hungry. I'll just use It means you need to go quick. Ooh, you know what? I'm going to collect this. Wait, why am I mining with a stone? Wait, did I just say stone? I'm dumb. Uh, uh. Oh, that's not a crafting table. I'm really dumb at Minecraft. It's not usually my first time. Bruh, I hate this. I need this and the soil. Is it cooked? Oh, what am I doing?
Ang gulo mo kay Nat. Hindi ako.
It's actually my first time.
May kan si Ate, may kan na. Sabi ko sa'yo, pag yan, nauntog yan. Nakatalaga sa akin. Lahat ng gusto, matitikman mo.
That's just my mom again. Where do I mine? Why did I even use wood? Oh nah. I'll use my crafting table. This is more useful. I know. Just I'll take. Oh. What's it? This. Stone, 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 stone. Yeah.
Does the shoe go on my head? No. No, no, no. Can you shake your head no? No. No.
Masakit
The
kay.
shoe doesn't want the ball.
How is this actually long? Look,
Yes.
it's 7 minutes.
Yes. Puppy wants the ball. Yes.
My brain is jiggling.
Yes. Yes.
I need iron.
Yes.
And I know the most safest trick of all the universe. Digging straight down. What's this? Oh, this block. Gora. I don't know how to read that. And I'm just 9. If I actually fall on lava, I'll be sad. What's this? Is this andesite? No. Cool. Yes, there isn't only one. Wait, why is there so much? This is not the game of Notch, but this, why does it just keep going? Guys, this is not a prank, really. Who created this game? Why is there so much coal? Cool, finally. I got 19 coal. Well, I guess that's useful. I think. What's this ore? I never seen this ore before. Don't tell me, you're not going to mine that. What's this ore called? Copper? What's a copper? Wait, isn't that makes copper blocks? My favorite color is orange, so well, I thought I just saw. Bro, I just saw it again. Guys, I need to make what's that called again? Oh no, where's the sticks? If this isn't actually sticks, I'm going to be crushed out. Oh, okay. I was right.
Slowly, very slowly, up the wooden rail. Quickly, quickly, very quickly, runs a little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very quickly, into this little house. Now it's fun. We were quick like a mouse. Can you be quick? Quick.
Na, 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 na. Bro, it's already getting dark.
Slow makes the sail. Good job.
I can't see anything. Spider-Man. Why am I singing this? Keep the rain. Bro, I haven't gone that far. I don't need to use all of my torch. Wow, it's already getting dark. See, I can even mine it. Not. I hate this. What's this? Deep slate? Oh no. Maybe I could get deep slate coal. Deep slate coal is the second, I think, rarest. I don't know. But the rarest one is deep slate. What was that again? Deep slate. Did I just get... Wait. Lapis lazuli. It was emerald, right? Yeah, it was emerald. Wait, I know. I think I remember. When there is always lapis lazuli near it. I don't know which direction.
Did you pop up like
I have a problem.
Good job! You did it!
Where's my crafting table? Bruh.
The torch now.
Later. Papaiyakin mo yan. I just talked Filipino. I won't.
Tara, baby.
Yan, tuloy, iiyak na.
Diba yun ko to unang nag-charge?
Why do I even have a lot? You know what? I'll make 2 in case. And the torch. Give me this. I need... Hayaan mo.
Pwede na, nag-charge ko na. Okay na.
It's sensitive. Bro. I guess when it's deep slate, it's very dark. Guys, it's already 23 minutes. I haven't even came close. I hate this.
Wait, gold? Gold?
Can I even mine gold with this?
Kailangan mo iron.
I know I can mine this, but it's just very long.
No.
Let's try it. Marching.
Bruh.
Meron ulit gold. There's gold. There's more gold.
Bro, why? Why? I haven't even...
Kailangan mo iron. You need iron. Wait. Go straight.
Bubbles!
Pwede may iron.
Bubble! Let's blow some bubbles.
Guys, I really hate this.
Set, go!
No iron?
Wow!
I hate this. Goodbye, gold. I don't even like gold. It's useless.
Should we
Okay,
do
here's the
more
whole of
bubbles?
it. Yeah.
Or
What the hell? I will. Oops, I said a bad word.
Okay,
But
let's do
I was shocked. I thought it was a charged creeper. Spawned out of
5
nowhere.
na lang. 5 more torches. Dapat ako. We need to get the torches.
Guys, I don't even see my... Where am I going? No. I see light. Guys, I'm scared.
Shut up.
You know what? I'll just wait again. Well, this will take long.
Can you just sit at...
Oh, okay. And stop.
My friends and my friends are your friends. The more we can
Wait.
the happier.
I should have grabbed my torch. So, am I dumb? Bruh. No. Why am I slow? Oh, I'm
You're just
mining.
You're just
Shut up.
embarrassing yourself, you fat guy.
Oh, can you say ball?
Wala pa. Wala ka pa nakuha.
Catch the ball.
I hate this. Why do I have steel?
Yay!
I hate this game. It's already been 26.
Can you say that?
Guys, hey, please, can I at least get iron? Please.
Just go straight.
I'll pick it up.
Guys, I'm sorry. I promise I'm only going to
Found the ball.
take iron, not anything else. That will be cheating. Well,
Guys, he's a cheater.
where's the item? 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 Where's the item? Item? How do I change game mode again?
Roll it.
You are a big freaking cheater.
Sorry guys, I need to.
This little piggy.
No, don't tell me.
This little piggy.
Whoa, oh my god.
Little piggy has
Let's
none.
go.
What? You know what? I'll make a chest first. Where's my crafting table?
He's a dumb bit.
Are you really getting us banned? Okay, guys.
People can say by what?
It's what the fudge. It's not a bad word. Is this how to make a chest?
Or she do them. I think we need to remove this one.
See, I'm smart. Smarter than you.
What is stupid? You know what I mean?
I'll put my useless stuff here.
What is stupid?
No.
Plano mo yung things para pwede ka go up.
I don't need a lot. Bro, I didn't notice I already have a lot. Bye-bye, raw meat.
Can you
Bye-bye, pickaxe.
high five?
I don't need this black ore.
Let's give a high five.
This.
Five.
No, I need this for my house. This.
High five. High five.
And I'll just
So fun.
organize it, I
High
guess.
five.
Ooh.
Yay.
I don't need this.
Giving a high five.
Giving a high
High
five.
five.
Yeah.
High five. Block stacks.
Oh my god.
These are blocks. Can you say blocks? Blocks.
What the? Okay, again. Wait, I need sticks. I'll make 10. Bro, what?
That's more than 10, bud. That's more than 10.
Oh, I just wasted my wood. Well,
But it's whatever.
Boom! The blocks fell
Choo.
down.
shoot.
And sword, dumbass.
How do I make a sword again?
What is stupid?
Ikaw yon.
Can you smile?
Pwede mo naman yung gold.
Pwede mo naman yung gold.
We smile when
I
we're
said
happy.
speak English.
Can you,
You can
mind the stupid gold.
This is frowning.
You're getting us banned.
We frown when we're
Um,
But now
I think
I'm
that's
happy
all I
again.
need.
I'm happy
Wait, no.
again.
I need, what's that called?
Let's sing row your boat.
An app.
Row your paddles. Row,
Wait, I
row,
actually
row
forgot
your
how to
boat
make an app.
gently down the
Well, I know it because you're dumb.
Merrily, 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 life is fun.
And
This time, let's pretend we sing a
bye-bye, Chance. I don't even need you.
What a cheater, gently down the stream. Till you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. It's a little pink bunny.
I was distracted.
Let's say go
Bro.
and see what happens.
Pick the toast.
Set, go.
I think I should really getting up.